How do I fix my PS4 system error? Hey everybody, welcome back to another video of Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can fix your PlayStation system error. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, you could have the system error due to a couple of reasons. The very first thing we will do is it could be due to a outdated software. So go to settings, and once you go to settings, you could come down and then simply select system software update. Select the system software update button, and as soon as you do that, if your PlayStation has an update available, you have to install that update to the latest version. If that fixes the issue, that is perfectly fine. If it doesn't, we will move on, of course, to the second solution. And that is to simply initialize our PlayStation. Go to initialization and go to, first of all, try to restore default settings of your PlayStation. So go ahead and then simply restore your default settings by entering your passcode. Or if that doesn't help, you could come down and then select initialize PS4. You could do a quick wipe, or you could simply do a full wipe and see if one of these helps solve the issue. Hopefully one of these would have actually helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.